We got the replacement for the Taramps 12K. The last one I got was broke because it was moving around in the box or wherever they broke it at. So hopefully we got a good one. As you can see, they packaged it the same way. I'm gonna just take it out of here. I ain't gonna. Okay, we don't hear no plastic or nothing. Y'all see it right there. The box got minimal padding. I don't know why some ramps do this, but the Amazon shipping, they don't do right. Alright, so look like I ain't gonna say it right till I see it. Alright, the feet right on this side. Okay, the feet right on this side too. Look like it's right. The feet right. Well, I'm gonna let that slide this time. I'm not sure why. When you get them, they already got the terminals all the way out in it. I'm gonna let that slide. See, if I hadn't been paying no attention, see, I'd have lost it. See, and then I'd have been complaining to them how I don't have the screw. So. See if I can put that in there and make sure it ain't stripped out, because it'll be something else with these folks. I'm gonna have to get my tool. It look like it, I think it's straight. So yeah, I think it's all right, but I'll know once I get my tool out. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Yeah, I was just trying to make sure the screw go down in there like it's supposed to. All right, try this one. Bring it out. Okay, that's smooth. You know, you gotta check this type of stuff because these folk always got something going on. You spend your money, you want what you're paying for. They need to have some kind of padding on it. Look at that, got hair in there. Look, I ain't just the type of person to just, you know, carry on, which I am gonna carry on, really. Look at that, it's already there, and I ain't the one that did it. Look at that. Dirt all the way on it, hair in there. Yeah. I hope it performs good because it definitely, they need some help, man. You don't get no screws or nothing with it. Let's see if they was nice enough to give you some kind of. No, you don't. I was gonna say they was nice enough to give you some.
They give you a pamphlet.
Yeah, that's what they give you. You don't get no sticker or nothing like that.
They gave you a pamphlet that's not in English.
Really?
This is not in English.
Yeah, man. We're just gonna hope this outperforms the quality of the shipping and all of that.
Oh, well, here's the English right here.
Well, yeah. But if you spend
no hardware.
If you spend $1,000, man, you really won't. It ain't a lot of money, but it is a lot of money. You know, it ain't. It's more than what you need to just be giving away. So, yeah. Yeah.
Let's see the performance there.
Yeah. So, yeah. Y'all like and subscribe. See y'all next